lovely. So today I'm going out for lunch with Caroline and I have no idea why I look so white. I think it might be the new foundation I'm using, but we're just going to embrace it. So yeah, I'm going out for lunch with Caroline and I'm sorry you can hear the grass cutter in the background. So yeah, it should be fun. So guys, today I'm wearing this Nasty Gal turtleneck. It would be great if my camera would focus. Nasty Gal turtleneck with long sleeves and just some next leggings. I'll probably just wear these with some boots. Apologies for the hoover and the mop being in the background. I've been tidying up. So yeah, I'll just wear these with some boots, and I'm just got a red lip on as well, which you would have seen just before, just to match the outfit a bit better. And I'm going out for lunch, so I'm gonna get a bit of a food baby going on. So yeah.
To circle overhead.